acid-base titrations. This is the second video of this series. We are going to learn this lesson very slowly, step by step through problems. Now let's discuss problems. How many milliliters of 0.345 m phosphoric acid are required to neutralize 120 milliliters of 0.123 m KOH solution? M in molarity. That means there are 0.123 moles of KOH, potassium hydroxide, in 1000 milliliter or 1 liter of this KOH solution. This is the chemical equation. H3PO4 plus KOH, we get K3PO4 plus H2O. This chemical equation is not balanced. First of all, we need to balance this chemical equation. Let's balance it. H3PO4 plus 3KOH, we get K3PO4 plus 3H2O. Now you can see on the left hand side 6 hydrogens, on the right hand side 3 times 2, 6 hydrogens, on the left hand side 1 phosphorus, on the right hand side 1 phosphorus, on the left hand side 7 oxygens, and on the right hand side 4, 3, 7 oxygens. We know the volume of this potassium hydroxide solution 120 milliliters. We know the molarity of this potassium hydroxide solution 0.123. Now we can find number of moles in this KOH solution. There are 3-4 ways to find number of moles, but here we are going to use formula of molarity. M equals N divided by V. M equals N divided by V. We use this formula in our molarity videos. If you want, you can watch them. M equals N divided by V. M in molarity, N number of moles of solute, V volume in liters of solution. Volume 120 milliliters. But when we use formula of molarity, we can't use milliliters. Therefore, we have to convert this 120 milliliters to liters. For that, we have to divide this 120 milliliters by 1000. 120 milliliters divided by 1000, we get 0.12 liters. M molarity, we have been given molarity 0.123. Units of molarity are mole per liters. We know M, we know V. Now we can substitute these values to this formula. 0.123 mole per liters equals N divided by volume 0.12 liters. We should cancel out units. Liters, we can cancel out. Here we need to find number of moles. Therefore, we should isolate N on the right hand side of the formula. Then 0.12 goes to the left hand side. 0.123 mole times 0.12 equals N number of moles. Now we get 0.01476 moles of KOH. In 1020 milliliters of this KOH solution, there are 0.01 476 moles of KOH. I have written here balanced chemical equation again. Now you can see the ratio. To react with 3 moles of KOH, 1 mole of phosphoric acid is required. To react with 3 moles of potassium hydroxide, 1 mole of phosphoric acid is required. To react with 3 moles of KOH, 1 mole of phosphoric acid is required. Now we have 0.1476 moles of KOH. Therefore, to react with 0.01476 moles of KOH, how many moles of phosphoric acid are required? We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole H3PO4 divided by 3 mole KOH multiplied by 0.01476 moles of KOH. 1 mole H3PO4 divided by 3 mole KOH multiplied by 0.01476 moles of KOH. We should cancel out units. Mole KOH, mole KOH. Now we get 0.00492 moles of phosphoric acid. This is not our main answer. We have been asked to neutralize 120 milliliters of a 0.123 m KOH solution. How many milliliters of a 0.34 m phosphoric acid are required? 0.345 m molarity. That means there are 0.345 moles of phosphoric acid in 1000 milliliter or 1 liter of this phosphoric acid solution. There are 0.345 moles of phosphoric acid in 1000 milliliter of this phosphoric acid solution. Therefore, 0.00492 moles of phosphoric acid are in how many milliliters of phosphoric acid solution? We can find the answer in this way. 1000 milliliter phosphoric acid divided by 0.345 mole phosphoric acid multiplied by 0.00492 moles of phosphoric acid. 1000 milliliter phosphoric acid divided by 0.345 mole phosphoric acid multiplied by 0.00492 moles of phosphoric acid. We should cancel out units. Mole H3PO4, mole H3PO4. There are many decimal places. You can use your calculator. I also use my calculator. Then we get our main answer. 14.26 milliliters of phosphoric acid. Our main answer. To neutralize 120 milliliters of a 0.123 m KOH solution, (14.26 milliliters of phosphoric acid are required. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.